If the time on the iPhone screen is faded and is not clear, then there are a few things that you can do. The first thing that you can do is you can change the wallpaper. So what you do is go to settings, go to this option wallpaper and select this option Add New Wallpaper. And from here select that wallpaper which has more contrast and then select Add. Select this option Set as Wallpaper Pair. Once you do it, close this one. Let me close this screen and open it and check if the date and time is more clear this time or not. The other thing that you can do is you can also change the font color and size for this date and time. So when you are in this lock screen, then tap and hold on the lock screen for some time. After that, select this option Customize. Select lock screen. Tap on this clock here, and from here you can change the font of the clock. Also, if you want, you can change the color. So once you have changed the font color and then the font type, select this option Done, and then you can tap anywhere here. Now check this time if the clock appears more brighter or not. Also, the other thing that you can do is open the control center, maximize the light, and once it's maximum, what you do is restart your phone and check if the clock on the lock screen looks brighter this time or not.